So first ask user, enter any day, right? Okay. Enter any day, right? He's giving some number, guys, 1 to 7 number, like that. What we do here, we take the eval, right? We take the eval into one variable. Suppose he's giving the n, right? N. So first import what? Calendar as a C. Leave it now. He's giving the right n means the number must be 1 to 7 only. Then we have the some day 1 to 7. Below 1, above 7, day is not there. So first of all, if observe now that n compulsorily greater than or equal to 1 and that n less than or equal to how much here 7. In that case, now I can display the day, right? So C dot what? C dot day name. Okay, day name, right? Day name. I am giving suppose he's giving the number. Imagine 1, guys. He's giving the 1 now. 1 means what is the day he is expecting? Huh? He's giving the 1 now. What are you expecting? Monday, right? Monday. So it's a list, for example, right? List of 1 means what comes now? Sorry, list of n means what comes now? He's giving the 1. Now n value is the 1 now. Now list of n means here 1, right? 1 means what comes here? Tuesday. So what expecting here? Expecting the Monday, right? Monday expecting but what answer going here? So going now, as for this one now, Tuesday going. Because he is giving the number 1 now, but the number you're taking as index number here. So what we do now? N minus 1. Right, n minus 1 now. Now we take the else, then print off invalid day, for example. Right? Let us try now. The above, okay. He's giving the number 1 now. So what? Sorry, here print, right? I will take the print. Right? The above 2 programs I comment here. Comment this one. Right. Now coming down, this is the okay. Now n minus 1 means what here? So same Monday should come, right? Means was expecting the same thing will come here. Is giving the 1. What's the 1? Monday. He is giving the 2. What's the 2 here? Tuesday. He is giving the suppose 7. 7 Sunday, right? He is giving some 10 invalid day, right? The complexity is there here. Huh? Good. Right. Hmm. So now day name, right? What's third variable? Third variable, 2 hour, right? Day abbreviation and day name. What's third one now? Huh? Right there, month abbreviation. Right. It's a variable which contains all months in a abbreviated form. Same. Right. All of you observe. The first word here. Import what? Calendar as C. Then for I in C dot one month abbreviation. Okay. Then I'm taking here just I. That's all. Now, if you take the list, all of observe, I'm trying to display the list format in the form of the comprehension. Okay, comprehension. Yes. All of observe here. So all the days came in the which format? Right? List format came. And if you see index number 0, no data here. The Jan starts from where index number 1 onwards. All of you. First one empty is given. Index number 0, empty string is given. And 1 onwards, data is there. In this case, you was giving the 1, take the 1 as it is. The previous case, Monday is the 0. You was giving the n, we take the n minus 1. For giving the n, take the n as it is. Because we don't give 0. 0 is Jan is not there. Jan at 1 is there. February 2 is there. And December, what's the number here? Next number? They are not 12. 12. Okay, 12. Same at this one. Right? Next one, month name. Next one, month name. Next one, month name. Right? Month name. It's the same as it is. It's a variable. It's a variable which contains all the months with the full name. Okay, right. So run this one. I take the month name, right? Taking the month name. They also same first empty is there and the full names are there, right? So now we have seen two things, days and months. Days and months, guys. So by using these two, I'll give our example. You try that one. All of you observe. All of you observe here. Suppose ask user enter any date. Any date, okay? So he's giving the date, guys. He's giving the date. Generally, first what we take the day, right? Day, month, year, generally, right? He's giving, for example, okay, here, day means 1 to 31 comes, right? But here, 7 days, these are the weeks. Okay, okay. Now, next we discuss, one more is there. Only days, 1 to 30. Here, we have seen the first weeks, right? Monday to Sunday weeks, then months over. Right, months over. Next, which one? Days are there. Okay. Once the days we have seen, I'll give this example, guys. Okay. Right. To stop it now. Tomorrow we see the calendar functions are there. Is leap function. Okay. Or between 2 years, how many leap years are there? I give the 2000 year, 2020. Between these, how many leap years are there? Or display calendar. For example, see guys here. I take now import calendar. Okay, as you see, then see dot calendar of 2020. That's all right. 2020. You get the calendar also here. Format are kept properly because of this font size all. Okay. Something here. We take the some width equal to something like this. Okay, we get the calendar also. It will change, guys. It will change the fonts, it will change, right? All months came. Okay, all months came, right? Here this one display here also displays. Which are displaying here? 2020, right? It displays the all the months one by one. That we see tomorrow, all the functions. Okay, display only month, only 1 month I want to display. Or I want to display current month, current today I have to display, current time more display. Those all we see in the next class. Okay, thank you all of this. Bye.